The Hermitage Panthers look ready to go forward on their 2024 season.
From a Hermitage program standpoint, what we did last year was really a ground one thing in reference to my staff and the concepts that we were establishing this year. We're really on a different level and page in terms of the concepts that we already know we want to run. These guys are really familiar with those concepts, so it allows us to, focus a lot more on the details of the concepts, how they execute the details of these concepts.
The Panthers return a talented duo that is definitely used to execution.
We got Benyane at quarterback, a returning starter. Obviously, everybody knows Drake Clark, a rising junior.
Opposing teams definitely remember the Yane-Clark combo that carved up defenses left and right a year ago. And Clark was and still is a force on the defensive side at defensive back, earning All-Metro honors along the way. Only a rising junior, he's already making waves on the recruiting trail.
I mean, absolutely. They like the frame, they like the length, the speed, especially at that age. So obviously from a mental standpoint, that's what we drill, that's what we develop and try to, to get them to understand that, yeah, certain things may fly on this level, but we're not just preparing you for this level, we're preparing you for the next level. So it's excited to see him grow and develop mentally as well as a player.
Of course, the Panthers are much more than just Yane and Clark, as they return 18 starters from a year ago, from a team that went 6-5 and made the postseason. They'll be even better this season if
we stay disciplined. We will have an extremely successful season, extremely successful season if we stay disciplined and, we stay the course when those ebbs and flows come, when that adversity hits.
The Panthers get started August 30th at Oscar Smith.
It's click-clack time, bro. It's click-clack time. Give me a quarterback.